Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create waffle chart in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI. Click here, get more visuals. Click on this waffle chart. Press Add. By pressing this Add, this app will appear in the visualization interface. Here is it. Click on it. Now in the categorical data, pick up the subcategory, and in the values, pick up the sales. Activate the focus mode. So the sales here are compared with the first category, which is a benchmark category. So chairs is considered to be the benchmark category 100%. Now phones, its sales is compared with respect to the chairs. Envelopes, its sales is compared with the chairs. Now instead of the subcategory, let's pick up the state. So California is doing better. Second comes the Washington. We can also include the year, at which year we performed well. So 2017, the performance was good. Let's include the quarter. In which quarter we are doing better? So in fourth quarter we are doing better. According to the month also, we can do the comparison. So on which day we are performing better? So according to the day. So day 1, day 2, day 3. So this is how you can create the waffle chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link given in the description box.